Good morning, it's another day today. Nice showered this morning, that's really great. We're going to go shopping right now and then probably leave to go to the Gulf of Morbihan. That's like a beautiful gulf 4 hours away from here, so a shorter day than the previous 30 hours. We're looking for a sunglass store currently, and we're looking for a sunglasses store to buy some sunglasses because they're scratched. And this village, it's a village, seems to be so busy, so wow. We went to the sunglasses store, so the sunglasses are bought, and now we are in a shop just shopping a little bit for some things, and we're going back to the boat and clean up and leave. Stop in a bar here just to get some drink with the view of the port, and then we're going to go. We arrived back to the boat, and we are just cleaning all of the dishes and everything here. We are leaving right now from the port, and we're heading to Le Gulf de Morbihan. Actually, we're making a stop before to charge the batteries and put some water into the tanks because we have no more. And then we're going to the Gulf de Morbihan, so I'm excited. We are on the boat, and based on calculating, we should be there in 2 hours with our speed of 6 knots, so good. We got some wind now, so we switched off the motor and we're going at about 4 or 5 knots without the motor, and it's fine. Oh, okay. We are arriving really fast now. The Gulf de Morbihan is right over there, and we're soon there. We're moving really fast because of the current that's also pushing us in, so we're soon there. There's a boat in front of me that did a world tour in 45 days and bet the world record, so look at that. We are just approaching the Gulf now. It's right in front of us. We're maybe going to do 2 turns to get into it, but we are doing well and we're soon there. Next episode.